Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get a temporary email address. So there are some cases in which you can't give your real email address to some website, so you will be needing a temporary email address. So in this video I'll be showing you exactly that. So first you have to open your browser, and in here you have to search for tempmail and click on OK and click on search. Now you can see here tempmail disposable email. The correct link of this is tempmail.org. You can search for that as well. Now if I click on this, this will pop up, and now you can see my temporary email address is loading. Let's just wait for that. Okay, now I have my temporary email address, and now you can use this on any website. Okay, so I'll show you a sample. So I can just copy this email address from here. So if I open up a new private window and search for Wellside Labs, this is an AI text-to-speech website. Now if I click on try for free, and I can use this email address to create a new account in here. So okay, I will just type in a random name, last name, and the work email where I can paste my the temp mail. And in work email I can place my temp mail, and now I will just add some random number and a company and a password as well, something. Okay, if I click on create account, just a second. Okay, now if I click on create account, so this when I click on create account, this website is going to send me an email address to the email address I provided. That is this email address. So if I go back to where I have the temp mail opened up, you can see here you have the email. So that's how it works. So if you want to create an account in any website and you don't want to provide your actual email address, you can always use temporary email addresses like this, and it can easily give you the OTP or anything you want. Okay, as you can see, I got the email from Wellside Labs, and I can just click on verify email, and this will create my account. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in another video.